Hello everyone. So today we are going to see one of the question, that is write a cursor program to fetch nth position row from the employee table. So I have already created a video on how to create a cursor and how can we fetch data, and we have seen different attributes of this explicit cursor. So these are the attributes: percentile is open, percentile found, percentile not found, percentile row count. So in this, for solving this question, we will use this percentile row count attribute. So it will give us a row number. So now let us see how can you find nth position row from the employee table. So let's take, if I want here fifth position row in the employee. I have already created here a table. Let me type here select star from employee table. Here I am using SQL plus. So I have already created this table. So fifth position, let us see, this is first, second, third, fourth and fifth. At fifth, Smith is the employee and we need to find this. You can take any nth position. I am taking here n as 5, and let us see how can we write a cursor program to fetch nth position row from the employee table. Here n is 5. So this is a table. So let me set server output on. Now we will write cursor program. So how can we write? First step is declaration. So declare cursor C1 is select employee name comma employee number from which table, from employee table, and here we will declare two variables: variable employee name of type varchar 2 of size 10 and variable employee number of size of type number of size 10. And next is, this is done, declaration block is done. Now next we will write what? Execution block. So we can begin. Then here we need fifth row. So there are many rows in this cursor as we are selecting this. So let me, first step is we have to open the cursor. So open cursor, and here we will write loop and fetch the data. Fetch C1 into variable underscore employee name comma variable underscore employee number. And as this is a loop, so we need to write exit condition for exiting from this loop. So we'll write exit when cursor not found. So it will return true and exit from the loop whenever there is no data in the cursor. So this is done. Now here we need to find fifth row data. So let us write if cursor percentile row count. So this will give us the number of, means which row we are at. So here we need to find fifth row. So if C1 percentile row count equal to 5, then we need to print dbms underscore output dot put underscore line variable employee name and concat with comma, concat here, and variable employee number, employee name and employee number, and end of the if block, and end of the loop, end loop. And let us close the cursor, close C1 and end of the execution block and slash for executing. And here we go, we are getting Smith and his number. So here you can see at the fifth position we are getting Smith and its employee number. So for what we are doing here, first we declare the cursor, then variables declaration, then starting our execution block. Here we are opening the cursor, then loop for fetching the data, then for exiting from the loop we are writing exit when C1 not found, that is whenever there is no data we are exit from this loop. And we need to find here fifth position row. So here we are writing logic if C1 percentile row count equal to 5. In that case we will print the data and end of if, and this is the end of loop, and closing the cursor, end of execution block, and execute. So this is the way. Here we are taking 5. If you want other rows, in the place of 5 you can take any row you want. So we can write cursor program to fetch nth position row from employee table.